Hi everyone, Francisca Luhong James here, and I'm the winner of Miss Universe Malaysia 2020. And here I am in Glojas, and I just want to share with you and spread awareness about COVID-19. As you can see, the cases have been increased for this past couple of days, and I just want to remind everyone out there to follow the advice of the Ministry of Health, which is the 3 C's, which is to avoid contained areas, avoid crowded places, and also avoid close contact. That is the most important thing. And also, as you know, right now I'm at Glojas Clinic, and I'm so happy to be here actually because I feel safe, because I see everyone here is wearing masks, the doctors, the staffs, and also the patients. So let's do this nation a favor and let's spread awareness about COVID-19, and let's fight COVID-19 together.